morning, guys. How you guys doing? As usual, it's always been your boy General Raf. You're back to another brand new video. Well, doing a full day of eating. Thought that I'll weigh myself. Right now I'm around 88 kilograms. That's good. Before the end of the year, I want to cut to like 86 kilograms. So now that's also good. 85 to 86 kilograms. I go for a walk, which I'm doing now. I go for a 30 minutes, 40 minutes walk, and that's for my little bit of cardio. After that, I'll catch you guys for breakfast. Let's go. So we got meal number one. I just finished coming back from work, so we got meal number one, which is actually going to be French toast. Yeah, so it's going to be 3 French toast and a cup of tea. The tea looks like that because I opened the tea bag by mistake. Like I thought the tea bag. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to enjoy this meal and catch you guys for workout. So yeah, let's go. Okay, yeah, it's time for workout. Today is gonna be legs, back, and a little bit of abs for the core, like core. So we're going to do the workout. So we start the workout. We are going to do a little bit of stretching. Yeah, and after the workouts, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, so workout is done. Like I said, we did a little bit of legs with abs and back. That's the workout. I'm hungry. Time for me to go eat. Okay, so I'm done freshening up, no bathing. Yeah, that's me down in my bed actually. Now it's time for meal number 2, which is going to be lunch. Yeah, it's going to be good. Yeah, also I'm going to get a haircut soon. I'm going to cut everything off. Not like everything. I'm going to get a low cut. Yeah, so that's it. Let's go make meal number 2. Let's go. It's time for meal number 2. Meal number 2 is going to be with jollof rice with egg and a little bit of vegetable and a little bit of meat, boiled egg to be precise. So yeah, that's meal number 2. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this meal and catch you guys, I don't know, later for dinner. Yeah, for dinner. Let's see. Yeah, this is a meal. Yeah, this is a meal. I'm going to enjoy this meal and I'll catch you guys later. Okay, so right now I'm about to sleep, but before I sleep, I normally drink a cup of coffee. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to enjoy my coffee. After this, I'll go to bed. Then we'll go for Christmas. Forget to keep eating one. Because why not? It's Christmas. Cheers, guys. As usual, it's always been your boy General. And we are here. Take care and peace. Make sure to like, subscribe. Get me to 200 subscribers. Thank you.